How to fix SIM card no service problem. This tutorial shows you how to get your signal back when your Android phone shows no service. First, swipe down and tap the airplane mode toggle to turn it on. Wait a few seconds. Tap the toggle again to turn airplane mode off. After that, open Settings. Tap Network and Internet, then SIMs. Tap your SIM card. Check that network mode is set to LTE or 5G preferred. From there, open Settings. Tap Apps. Tap Phone. Tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. At this point, power off your phone. Remove the SIM card. Wait a few seconds. Reinsert the SIM card firmly. Power your phone back on. In the next step, open Settings. Tap System. Tap Reset Options. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. Following this, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart. Keep in mind, if the issue continues, contact your carrier to check for a network outage in your area. And that's it. If this SIM card fix helped you get your signal back, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.